Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make free cryptocurrencies with Coinbase Earn, and not $1, not $2, but hundreds of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. So stay tuned. If you register with the Coinbase link in the video description with my link, then you will get $10 for free if you buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. So you will receive a bonus of $10 if you buy Bitcoin worth $100 in the first 6 months after your registration. So I'm gonna exactly show you how easy it is to make some free cryptocurrency. I showed you before, I've told you before about Coinbase Earn. If this is the first time you hear about Coinbase Earn, I urge you to subscribe to my channel, because on my channel I'm teaching you how you can get free crypto, how to build long-term passive income streams with cryptocurrency and more. So you just press start course, get started. Okay, you can earn $1, so you just press that. You take the quiz, $1. How long did it took? 10 seconds? I made $1. But $1 in cryptocurrency. So in crypto, everything is possible. It could be $5 in a month. $1 again. So I made $2. Not even in 1 minute. $3. So now when we go to my crypto portfolio, what do I see? New cipher. I made $3. Price is going down a little bit, but most of these coins I got for free. For free, guys. And you see here, Celo, this was under $10, I think. As you can see, Compound, $23, Maker, $24, Orchid, $31, EOS, $53. This is what I got for free on Coinbase Earn. Well, I got a lot more for free, but certain coins I withdrew. So now I have new cipher, but I want some more cryptocurrency because I can earn $3 here. I can earn $3 here. I made $6 of Maker, Orchid, $12 Orchid, and it's worth more than $30 now. Tezos, $6. Price has increased. $6. This has remained the same. EOS. I earned $10 worth of EOS. That is now $50. Maybe you're watching this video in 1 month, 1 year. Maybe my $50, maybe my original $10 is worth a few hundreds of dollars. Do you see the possibilities, guys? So now I want some graph. Start course. Get started. Earn $1. You can learn about the coin right here. And then you just take the quiz. Boom, $1. Next lesson. $1 more. The only thing you need is an internet connection and my link, which you can find in the video description, for signing up to Coinbase. And if you're wrong, you can try again. Don't worry. Alright, I made $3 in GRT. So now let's take a look at my portfolio. Voila, $3, 1.72 GRT. So if you do this, if you take these quizzes, yes, you will make money. It's really that easy, guys. All of this I received from Coinbase Earn. All of this: EOS $53, Orchid $31, Maker $24, Compound $23, Celo $14, Basic Attention Token $11, Tezos $9. Well, if you're looking for a quick buck, this is it, guys. Make sure to also check out the ultimate Bitcoin guide in the video description. If this video was valuable to you, make sure to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, of course. Make sure to read the video description for more interesting information and some very interesting links. And of course, subscribe to the Crypto Mining channel for more money-making tips. I hope to welcome you all soon on the Crypto Mining channel. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.